sit down for this one because it's gonna get good. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, as you can see, we have 3 boxes that basically I only paid, I think, €2 for the one below. The first 2 boxes were from brands reaching out, and they basically collaborate with YesStyle. So YesStyle sends the products to me for free, which is amazing. I'm gonna start with the smaller box, which I already opened and I tried even. It's the FRUDIA Blueberry Hydrating Cream and Lip Balm. Honestly, really good products. I specifically enjoyed their lip balm. It's very thick, might say. And the hydrating cream, I would say it's a really nice cream as well. It's very lightweight. And the other brand invitation I got is from Mary&May. It's their sensitive soothing gel cream, the vegan Blackberry complex PDRN cream. I haven't tried these products yet, but I'm curious on how they would perform on my skin. Let me open them. I always look for scents, but I think most of their stuff are unscented. Yet this one is fragrance free. It says it on packaging. And the essence, which is also fragrance free. Like this, it's very heavy. Right? Yeah, this is a glass bottle. Yeah, very milky texture. And lastly, the Spicule Collagen PDRN cream, again fragrance free. I love that Mary&May doesn't add any fragrance to their products. And the package that I spent €2 on. I basically got a coupon from YesStyle to get whatever I want for $100, and that in euros is around 80-ish euros. And I got really exciting stuff. So let's review them. I saw the one that I'm most excited about, but I'm gonna leave it for the end. Let's start with this medicube pore cleansing brush, and I saw it online. It was relatively cheap, so I was like, okay, I can clean my pores with this. Next we have from Mediflower the Collagen Wrinkle Eye Cream. Hydrolyzed collagen eye cream that will supply moisture and nourish around the eye area. Proven to visibly improve the appearance of deep lines and wrinkles to maintain skin elasticity. And I believe it was relatively cheap, this product. So I'm excited to try it and see if the claims are really true. Next thing is from Foco Skin. Oh yeah, it's a sleeping mask, kind of like a trial. Next I got is the Centella Poromizing Quick Clay Stick Mask. I wanted to try a clay mask for a really long time. I had one, but it didn't really work, and I saw that this one does a really good job, so I'm excited to try it. I know that clay masks can be a bit trying, so I'm not gonna use it all the time, but especially when I want to target my forehead pores, I think this is really gonna help me. From Carotene is their calming water pad. It says like a sample that when you reach certain amounts, certain value, you get this. Got 2 lip products. I'll start with this one, the Hendayan Shine My Lips Lip Gloss. I think it's a lip oil as far as I remember. But it's really cute. It's like a ice cream, like apple, I think. Yeah, very cute. And the other lip product I got is from TIRTIR. It's their Waterism Glow Tint. Oh, it's very dark. Oh, I think I got some of it on my nose. Yep. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's definitely a color that I would wear. And it sits really lightly on the lips. Sweet scent, but not like too sweet. I should have started with this one. It looks really nice on my lips. And I like the packaging. There's like 3 ice cubes. I think this is another gift that I got with my purchase. I guess eyeliner brush. Also, I got a freckle pen because freckles are very on trend right now. It's again by Hydrating. Very sharp. Oh yeah, this one is really nice. You won't be able to see it from this far, but it makes the freckles like kind of real. I also got some masks. If you get one of these, this one was for free, so yeah, I got these 2 masks by Collagen with papaya and cranberry. And another mask that when I saw it, I was like, onion? It's from NS3, and yeah, it's the red onion extract. And also a trial set from kbeauty. It's their facial cleanser, facial toner, ampoule and facial cream. When I go traveling somewhere, I don't want to bring a lot of products. I can just get this and try out, you know, new products and also have a full routine. So these 2 products are the ones that you get for free every month. I believe this one is from the influencer product review and this one is from the glow giveaway, or the other way around. These were the free products that I need to basically make a video separately about them. And yeah, I am really excited to try this Dr. Althea Pure Grinding Cleansing Balm, and I removed my freckles that I put here. I don't like micellar waters or anything that will make my skin dry after cleansing it. It looks really hydrating. PDRN Balm plus Collagen Unbelly Bubble Ampoule. It looks like a cleanser, but it's actually bubble ampoule. And lastly, the product that I'm most excited about is the HR Booster Pro Mini by medicube. I mean, I couldn't afford such device. Of course, if I didn't get this coupon from YesStyle, I wouldn't have this in my hands right now. But I know that this is really helpful, especially if you have troubled skin like mine. And I'm really excited to try this and see if it's actually worth it or not. Ever since I started seeing like these devices all over social media, I was like, I really want to get my hands on such device one day, and I'm really happy that I have it. And yeah, I'll definitely make a separate video of me using this. It says here that it's recommended to be used 1 to 3 times every day. I'll probably use it in the morning and the night. I really hope that it works and it will help my skin. So this is everything I got from YesStyle. I am super grateful that I got the opportunity to get these products for almost for free. It's very motivating for me as a creator to basically have such variety of products for me to review them and to create great content for. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe. I really appreciate it because I want to make this channel grow. I hope you have a lovely day and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye. I spent like 30 minutes setting up my camera. Oops. I believe this one is from FRUDIA. And my camera stopped recording. Great.